Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. Today's video is about my old 50-liter US Assault backpack, and I'm gonna retire that one. And for what reason I'm gonna retire my old backpack? The reason is I have a big hole in it, and that is beyond repair. You can't repair it. So that is why I'm gonna show you how big hole it is. And you can tell me, guys, if that is possible to repair it or not. Because in my opinion, you can't. So I will turn you guys around so you can see for yourself, and let's get into it a little bit more, shall we? So I will pause this video for a couple of seconds and then we are back again, okay? Okay guys, we are back, and as you see, it is a big hole. And it doesn't look that good, okay? So tell me guys, you can't repair this one. It's nearly impossible to do so. But this backpack has served me well through the years. I almost use this one almost every day. So guys, this one I will retire, and when I get my new one I will use that. So guys, this backpack has good zippers and I have been very happy with it, and it has molle, and good pocket here and good pocket here, and you have one here as well. But anyway guys, it's sad that I have to retire this one, but as you see, you can't repair this. That's impossible. So it doesn't look good. It has served me well, as I said, and I have been very happy to have this one. It worked and performed very well, and it fit my back very good and very well. So it's sad, but this is my old 50-liter US Assault backpack, and you will be retired soon. You will be retired soon, my friend. But anyway, I can use this until I get the new one later this month. So guys, I guess this is it for today's video. And oh, I almost forgot guys, you can join my membership on my channel membership, and it's cheap, and for my members I plan to do some giveaways, but those who are not channel members, they can also I will also make some giveaways in the future. So no one can participate in that. But at the moment I have planned to do some giveaways for channel members, so that will be cool. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and when I go live. So guys, take care, stay safe, God bless, stay prepared. ShadowScoutSwede out.